Today we're going to find out if a standard Apple Watch band fits in the Apple Watch Ultra. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So you just bought your new Apple Watch Ultra and you wonder if you can get rid of these high activity bands and replace them with the standard sport loop bands that the original Apple Watches came with, because they are super comfortable, they are super easy to use, they're nice and light. For daily use, they are the perfect companion for an Apple Watch. I don't know if you agree with that, but that's exactly why I wanted to try these out. Now, I've actually heard that they do work, but I want to show you some details here because I think that's going to be interesting, because I actually have some questions that I could not find answers to anywhere. Now, this is a brand new sport loop from Apple. It's an official OEM, obviously. You can see it's kind of that nylon, maybe just a little bit of give to it, but I love these because they are easy to put on. You can adjust them if you're feeling a little fat that day or whatever. Now, one of the things that I will show you here is that this is the largest one. This is meant for the 45mm Apple Watch, and on here, this Apple Watch Ultra has the Alpine loop on it, I think. Now, one thing I will say is it looks like to me the lugs on there are titanium, and so they will be very strong, and it looks like to me the lugs on the sport loop here are polyester, maybe some sort of polymer, something like that, so they probably won't be as strong. It's probably not going to be as rugged as this, so that's going to be a drawback. Now, I can also tell you that the fit and finish is perfect. You can see right where it fits in, it's just totally smooth. There's nothing that suggests that these are going to move around or they don't look perfect, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide these out now. Ooh, they are very tight, in fact, so you gotta get that button pushed in there and then slide, and now I've gotten both those out, so you can see how good of a fit and finish that is because of, man, how tight those are in there. And now what I'm going to do here is, I also wear my Apple Watch upside down, just FYI, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm going to go ahead and slide this in here. You can see it's a good fit, nice and tight, and it's locked into place. And what you can see here is it looks to be as good of a fit to the edge, kind of the curvature of the watch, as you might expect. Now, a couple things, because this is a different material, it's probably not going to be as strong, although I've never had a problem with these ever coming out, but I can also tell you that there's going to be a little bit of a color difference right there too, so I don't know if that will bother you. It's kind of bugging me, but not in a way that's going to stop me from using this band, because I actually like the band. It's kind of nice to have a little color variation there. I almost wish that were orange to match that. But now I have my normal sport loop here, and man, these are just so easy to put on. They're super comfortable, and that looks pretty good. That's with the Apple Watch Ultra, and so now I can just adjust this. I don't have kind of the big extra loops on this band that I have to futz with, man. And it kind of actually makes it look a little more like standard Apple Watch-ish. So if you want to take your Apple Watch Ultra, get rid of the stock band that it comes with, and put on one of these sport loops, I think that you will find that they work just fine. Some trade-offs though, but I think it's worth it. Hey, if you want to pick up the new Apple Watch Ultra or these sport loops that are super comfy, I'll put links to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.